Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can check the worth of a domain name, or how you can check the price or the predicted price of a domain name. So a domain name or a URL is this. Every website has one, a website address. Let's see it in that way. The price of a website address that. So this is one of the most lucrative industries in the world. And according to my research, they are saying the highest domain sold was sold for $872 million. So it's, a very much lucrative industry. I'm going to show you guys how you can check the worth of a domain name, just like I mentioned earlier. Simple and easy. So to do this, you're going to need a domain appraisal too. So you just search this and you're going to get a lot of them. Google is going to recommend a lot of them to you. Some are paid, some are free. So you are going to go with the free option. So you can see this is Estibot. Estibot is free and paid. We have Dynadot, they have atom.com, a lot of them here. So you can see I've opened a lot of these ones here. So you can see this is from Namecheap. Estibot website is not working currently. And this is from Dynadot. You just need to enter the domain name here. So here I'll be using GoDaddy. Just like in my previous video, I used GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of the most used web hosts. So I'm going to use them. So I once owned this website URL. I don't own it anymore. In my previous video, you can see I used the same thing. So let's search to get the value. So we just tap on get value and it's being calculated. And good. So they are saying it's 1,388. That's the estimated value of this domain name. I don't know whether it's on the market or it's been bought. So that's it on how you check the worth of a domain. So in this case, if you own this and you're selling it, you should be selling it around, let's say, $1,000. That's $1,000. You can sell it 1,003. People are not even going to buy. But then something between 500 USD to $1,000, someone is going to buy it. So that's it on how, and they are saying it's taken. Someone has already bought it. So that's it on how you can check the price or the worth of a domain name of a website you hop on it. You can do this for a website you own or a website you don't own. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.